Okay, today we'll see formula based problems. There are formulas like this. Look at here. Means you have to find out the value of 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx or 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. So what is the formula? N minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, so on and so forth. If n is odd and the same values, but last one will be pi by 2, n is even. How it will be given? So for example, he has given like this. So here n is equal to 6 and even. So what is the formula? I have to apply the both the formulas are same. Last one pi by 2 will come. Means 6 minus 1 by 6 into 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. Okay, next one will become what? 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 ante negative value vastundi sir. So we should not put that. Then we have to end with pi by 2. Again 6 minus 1 by 6, 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. Okay, you are written. Next one emotion sir, 6 minus 7. So it is a negative value. So we should not write that. Then immediately what is that we have to write? Pi by 2. Right? So it is become 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Any cancellations are there, you can do it, otherwise leave. For example, n is equal to 8, which is even. Again 8 minus 1 by 8, 8 minus 5 by into. Next one will be what sir? 8 minus 9. So negative value is coming. So immediately pi by 2. 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Okay, observe here. Whenever n is even, always last two terms will be this 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here also 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So whenever n is even, you get this 1 by 2. For example, dx pi by 2. Again n is equal to 5, which is odd. Again 5 minus 1 by 5, 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. Next one is what sir? 5 minus 5. So negative, it will become 0. Here negative and raavachu, 0 and raavachu sir. 5 minus 1 by 5, 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. Next one will be 5 minus 5. So we should stop there. So what will happen? 4 by 5, 2 by 3. For example, n is 7 odd. Again next one is what sir? 1, 3, 5. Next 7 minus 7 will come, it will become 0. So we should not write. So 6 by 7, 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. Observe here. What is the last term? 2 by 3. What is the last term? 2 by 3. So when n is odd, we will end with 2 by 3. When n is odd, we end with 2 by 3. When n is even, we end with pi by 2 into 1 by 2. Whenever we end with even, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This rule you have to remember. Okay, please note down. Right. Okay, we have got the formula. When sine is there, cos is there, different. But when both of them are there, this is very, very important. Sine power mx cos power nx dx. Both sine and cos is there. So this is very, very important. Here is equal to now look at the problem. Here most important, sine power is m, cos power is n. Sine power is m, cos power is n. So you have to be careful. M value has to be sine power, n should be cos power. The first formula, n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on and so forth. If m is odd, n is odd, means cos power. It is cos x power. Cos x power is odd, then your cos x power is odd. M can be even or odd, m value can be even or odd. So you have to use the one formula, means n is cos power is odd, there is only one formula. Next one is same, but here extra m minus 1 by m minus 3. What is the condition here? N is even, that is cos power, cos x power, and here sin x power. So if it is odd, then this formula will come. Same formula, cos power is even, sin power is also even, then this formula. But what is extra? Here pi by 2. Just now we have seen. Okay. So you have to be careful with this formula. Now look at it, one problem will do. First always you have to write the sine power. What is sine power? 6. M is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. First n power will decide which is odd. So which formula will come? The first formula will come. What is by first formula? 3 minus 1 by m plus n, 6 plus 3 into 3 minus 3. What is happening? 3 minus 3 is 0. So it ends there, right? It ends there. Then here last one, 1 by m plus 1. Okay, into 1 by m plus 1, that is 6 plus 1. This last one. What is the last one? 1 by m plus 1. So here 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 3. First formula is over. 6 minus 3 is 0. In 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have to stop. Then we have to write 1 by m plus 1. So what did we get? 2 by 9 into 1 by 7. Right? For example, dx. Now what is the m value? 6, n value 4, which is even, and this is also even. Which formula will come? Last formula. Look at here. You have to write first n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 by m plus n, 6 plus 4 into n minus 3, 4 minus 3 by into. Next one is what, sir? 4 minus 5. Negative value will come. So we should stop here. Then we have to start m minus 1. M minus 1 means what, sir? 6 minus 1 by 6. 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2. Then 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. After this 7 will come, which is negative. So what is that immediately you write? Pi by 2. So this becomes 5 by 10, 1 by 8, sorry, 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 8, next step, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Again observe here, whenever pi by 2 is coming, 1 by 2 will come. So you have to apply the formula properly. Okay. So this is n is odd, only last here this 1 by m plus 1 we have to write extra. That's what I have written. Please note on this. Next, for the m value 4, n value 5, which is odd. Once you get odd, you have to write the first formula. What is the first formula? n minus 1 by m plus n into n minus 3 by m plus n, so on and so forth, 1 by m plus 1. This formula you have to remember. So here 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 5, 5 minus 3 by into, next one is what sir? 5 minus 5, 0 it becomes. So what is that we are write? 1 by m plus 1 means 4 plus 1. So wherever this becomes 0 or negative, you have to stop there. So 4 by 9, 2 by 7, 1 by 5. Next one. Okay. Sin power 5, cos power 4. Here m is 5, n is 4, which is even, and this is odd. Which formula will come? Again n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n, so on and so forth. Next m series will start. Right? Because it is m is odd, we should not write pi by 2. So here n means what sir? 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 4, 4 minus 3 by minus 2. Next one is a negative sir, 4 minus 5 will come. Now m series. What is m series? 5 minus 1 by 5, 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. Okay, so 3 by 9, 1 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3. I told you, should end with 2 by 3. So it is a method. Okay, please note on this. Next one. 0 to pi, sin power 4, cos power. Our formulas are for 0 to pi by 2 sir, but we cannot use for 0 to pi, but we can use this formula. What is the condition? 0 to 2a, f of x is equal to 2 times of 0 to a, f of x, if f of 2a minus x is f of x. Okay, look at here, f of x is equal to 6 is equal to power 4, 6. This will be sin power 4x cos power, because sin 180 minus theta sin theta, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but the power is 6, so it becomes cos power 6. So sin power 4 cos power 6. Therefore you are getting f of x, so 0 to pi dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. So here m value, sorry, first n value 6 even, m is 4 even. So what is the formula? n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by pi by 2. Why sir? M is a even, so pi by 2 should come, and here 2 is also there. Now we will write 1 by 1, n minus 1, 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 4, and next one 6 minus 5 by minus 4. Next one is a negative, so we start m. What is m? 4 minus 1 by 4 into pi by 2. So Cancellations, you can do it, sir. I'm just leaving. You can do cancellations. Okay, like this. Please note. Next one. Next one. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 6 into cos power 6 dx. Okay, now minus a to plus a, f of x is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x. If f of x is f of minus x is f of x, which is called even function. Okay, what is the condition? If f of minus x is equal to f of x, so we consider f of x is equal to, so f of minus x is equal to whole raised to 4. So we are getting sine minus theta is what? Minus theta, but it is power is 2, so you get, so it is f of x. Therefore, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 6, sorry, 6. Okay, sine power 6x cos power 4 dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 dx. Again, m is 6, n is 4, which is even. It is even. The formula is n so on and so forth. Next, m minus 1 by m, because it is even, pi by 2. So here 2 units are extra, so 2 we have tried. Then n is what? 4. 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 4 into 4 minus 5 will come. So that will consider m minus 1. 6 minus 1 by 6. 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus pi by 6 minus 4, pi by 2. So 2 into 3 by 10, 1 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. Same thing is coming. So here we are applying the properties again. Okay. Next. Now again 0 to pi is given, so f of x is equal to, so f of pi minus x, so sine cube x, this is f of x. So we know dx is equal to 2 times of sorry dx. Again m value 3, n value 6, which is even. So formula n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by n, so on and so forth, m minus 1 by m, like this we have tried. Okay, again 2 is there, n value is how much, sir? 6. 6 minus 1 by 3 plus 6, 6 minus 3 by into 6 minus 5, 4 into, next one m minus 1. So formula applications are 3 minus 1 by 3, next 3 minus 3 is 0. So what will happen? I told you, you should end with 2 by 3. Okay, copy this. Next, you got 2 marks, so sometimes they can give you like this, 2 marks. I am doing 2 marks of this model, sir. What is that? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin power 5x cos power. So here. Okay. Right? Now, what I am doing here, f of x is equal to f of minus x sin of minus x to the power of 5 cos of whole raised to 6. So, sin minus theta is minus sin theta, power is odd. So, it is because minus sin power 5x cos power 6x, which is nothing but minus f of x. Because f of x is sin power for cos power, but what is that we got? Minus sin 5. Therefore, the second rule. What is the second rule? You have to write the rule, sir. This rule will say what? 0. So, you don't need to use. For example, again I am writing one more. Same formulas we have seen already, but again. So, what will happen? F of x is equal to 5x. So, f of pi minus x cos whole raised to 5 sin 180 minus theta sin theta and cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but power is 5 is there, yes, because which is minus f of x. What is the condition? This condition equal to 0. So, you have to write the formula, 2 marks question, sir. This is also 2 marks. Same problem he can give you like this, 0 to 2 pi. So, this also will become 0 because cos power is 0. When pi is there, cos power is odd, then it becomes 0. When 2 pi is there, if sin power is 3 odd, then it will be 0. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, right? We will see some more problems.